Here we have the railroad crossing located on Balzer Road in Kitchener, Ontario. This crossing is located on the CN Huron Park Spur. The first crossing signal is a clamp-style base, 3 pairs of 8-inch lights, which are a mixture of 2 pairs of SafeTran, 1 pair of GRS 8-inch lights. The emergency information is located on milepost 3.91. The bell here, the first generation Weston Colony is mechanical bell. That sounds pretty good. Here's looking north or south, I can't remember. Down there there's a yard which is owned by CN. Another signal. I'm stop base again. So there's 2 pairs of GRS 8-inch lights. Oh, you can see that. No bell. Just a relay case. Balzer Road. That's it for this crossing.